Welcome to a new YouTube video idea style. I decided that I was gonna make a new video kind of series. Basically, it's gonna document my progress of my art and me just drawing, right? Some of the videos will be, just not like good art, Sometimes it will be incomplete. Sometimes it'll be, maybe there's some of the videos I have some difficulties. Maybe I want to learn one specific thing. That's kind of the ideas. Basically, it'll just be documented processes of that. So I hope you guys enjoy. For today's video, though, we're going to be doing the sad version of my chibi. So I've got my sketch. I've made this pretty quickly, maybe like an hour of making it. That's quick for me, by the way. All right, that is quick for me. So yeah, I'm gonna do the hands real quick, and then we'll get started on the line art. Hands, my arch nemesis. Oh no, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna opacitate this layer. Or sorry, oh yeah, it is called a layer. I'm dumb. I'm a month in and I still forget freaking what I'm working on. Okay, let me get some reference actually. So I was having some issues with the hands and I found this idea and I think I'm gonna take reference from, which one was it? This one right here. Basically just reverse this. So I've kind of learned, I want it to be more slanted. So I'm gonna have to kind of figure it out. So up, there, and then, okay. And then we're going to do kind of that, because there's always like a little bump there. This is where the fingers are gonna be, I think, right? So right here, it would be kind of like pinky, something like that. It's a little square right now, but I'm trying to get this right. This is so difficult. You don't understand. You don't understand how difficult this is. Like that? It looks bad. What is this hand? Okay, let's try redrawing it. Ugh, it's so difficult to draw hands, man. What are hands? Man, this video is literally just going to be me trying to draw hands, I swear. This is going to be horrible, isn't it? Oh, no. The wrist would be showing, actually. That's what I'm not getting right. The hands are backwards. The hands are backwards. Okay, we're erasing everything. I'm going to bring in my reference here. There we go. Okay. We've got our reference. So, the way I'm thinking of it is the hand is going to be there. It wouldn't be like that. It would be more like, well, actually, no, it would be showing more over the wrist just naturally. So wrist to that. The thumbs would be showing too. Okay. Good luck, me. Thanks, me. So if I break down the shape, right? This is the shape. So we got that, and then we've got the knuckles start here. So it would be another box here going in, and then fingers here. That's one finger, and then another finger, which will be up, and then last finger, and then easy thumb. Okay. So if I take that reference, something like that, and then down, right, and then this is the harder part. So this would be the knuckles, right? So that's 1, 2, 3. 3, and then curve. Okay. Well, it connects to the hand here. Did anyone ever tell artists like, hey, why not just not do hands? It's a good idea to just not do hands, huh? This is literally going to be a tutorial of just like, hey, hands suck. So let's connect those, right? Because if I look at the hand, there'd be a dip here, and then another one here. So there'd be 2 circles here, and then kind of that, and then connecting there, and then a slight bump here. The thumb would be closest to the face, yes, but it would also be showing out. This is so difficult. Who decided to create hands, man? I curse whoever decided to do hands. I'm trying to do a simplified version. This is not a good reference. I need a hand that's facing outward. the wrist showing. Okay. This could help. Maybe. That's closer, but it looks like garbage. It unironically looks like garbage. What is this hand? It looks better, but ugh. Is this video really just going to be me trying to draw one freaking pair of hands? Like, unironically, this is going to be the video. It's not going to be anything like, oh, you know, actually making progress. No, it's literally going to be me trying to draw a hand. Ugh, this is so bad. Okay, we're going to move this hand to the side and try to see what we got wrong. Well, you know, we can see what we got wrong. There's a fold there. Got it. So there's like a fold here. This would be the fold here. I haven't really had difficulty drawing hands because they're always like simple. You know what I mean? Like, look at that. That's very simple, you know? I hate it. I hate drawing hands. Okay, I'm going to move. Okay, I'm going to move this down here just so that it's like, you know, I can redo it again. Redo. Where would I? Oh, here we go. Oh, I think I found it, guys. I found the perfect reference. When in doubt, reference it out. Okay, so you see hand shapes, a lot of crying stuff. Oh, there we go. We found it. We found the beautiful. We have found the beautiful reference. The beautiful reference. There's even a sniffle. It's not that I have to change the positioning of the arm, but I have to. That's fine. What I need to do is have this middle point needs to go past here. And then that's what I need to do. Give it more 3D-ness. Oh, this is going to be so bad. Okay, let's do the right hand. So thinking about it, if I go about the shape here, so that's where the thumb is, and then that's where the knuckles are, right? And then this would be the knuckles. Okay. I'm looking at my own hand, like examining it, and I don't think it's working. I'm literally taking a picture of my own hand. I'm tired of this. I need to figure this out. Examining my own hand, time number 100 and... I don't even think I'm getting better. I think I'm getting worse. No, man. Is it cheating if I trace my own hand? Ugh. Hands are the worst. I despise hands. Hands need to just go away. Like, what am I doing wrong? Why does it look so bad? I'm trying so hard to make something decent. I'm getting better, but I don't know by how much. This is so bad. I just realized I've been on my tired chibi, which is very fitting. Very, very fitting. Alright, well, I guess this video is just going to be literally me trying to draw hands. So I guess that's great. I hate hands, man. Why do hands have to be a thing? So just leave me to my woes. Thank you guys for watching.